Pasok na po kami.
Hahanapin namin yung ayan po nakalagay reception. So parang bayaran agad. Magbabayad agad. Oy, tingnan mo ang ganda. Wait lang. Ano yan? Peacock. It's a peacock, guys. Si parrot. Si parrot. Boker Tom, Boker Tom. Ay, tinatakot niya si Meow Meow. Medyo mainit. Naka-ready na kami, guys. Ready na kami sumakay ng camels. Ayan o. We'll take a closer look. Ayan po yung camels, guys. Ayan. Ano nangyari sa kanya? Nag-i-stretching siya? Ha? Nag-i-stretching siya. Puro babae daw yan, guys. Walang lalaki dyan. So I guess they are safe and harmless. Mrs.? Tingnan mo itsura ng misis ko. Excited na siya na ewan yung mukha. Hindi ko ma-describe. How are you feeling?
So excited.
Excited ka ba? Anong bakit ganyan?
Bakit ang taas?
Doon ka nga, doon ka. Lumapit ka. Tingnan natin gano'ng kakaliit.
Alam mo, Marika, sila may lunch sa likod. Hindi na niya ibang water nila.
May tubig sila.
So, ito na nga.
Parang dalawa lang kaming sasakay ng camel for today's video.
Yes.
Kasi wala masyadong tao. Actually, parang apat lang kaming turista dito. Turista talaga.
Anim daw tayo na kaya.
Siya sabi.
Yung babae.
Ah.
We're just waiting for one family daw.
Ayun.
Ako na sa yogurt. Kaya na sa Timur.
It's my Hebrew name. So, we're all excited. Save namin yung battery namin for later. See you later sa camel ride.
עוד רגע אני אקרא לכם לעלות אחד אחד. יכולים ויושבים יד שמאל מקדימה, רגל ימין למעלה. יד שמאל, רגל ימין, רגל אחת באלכסון. יד נגדית לרגל בקרן, וכל כמה דקות אפשר להחליף בין הרגליים. אנחנו נחזור ונשב ונעקוד. לא לרדת לבד, היא יכולה לקום בזמן שאתם עובדים. כולי, אני לא מרדת. איך יורדים, יד מאחור רק שתי הרגליים באותו הצד. ואז אפשר רגל. שאלות עד עכשיו, לפני שאני חוזר באנגלית. Guys, these are not male camels, it's female camels. They're very calm, they don't keep biting or anything like that. If you want to pet and touch them, it's fine, just not the face. The face is their private part. Neck, shoulders, the rest is fine. There's a rope that's connected between them. It's connected to their faces, so please avoid touching that. The way you're going to get on is left hand in the front, right leg up, just like a bicycle.
Yes.
And then one leg in the cross like this. Opposite end of the legs holding. And every now and then, you can switch your legs to keep the blood circulation flowing so you won't walk like a finger when you come back. There's only one safe way to get off. Two legs on the same side. And that's the only way you're going to get off with me. Okay?
Alright. Thank you.
After the trip, I'm going to make you team people, so don't run off. Okay? זהו, אחרי הטיול יש לכם פיתות ותהיה אתם יכולים להישאר.
Yay.
שאלות משהו?
Andyan na si Jingjing, guys. Sumasakay na po siya ng camel. Ready na din yung camel ko.
לא, אתה.
Ako talagang top notcher dito. Kasi sabi ko lang gusto kong mauna. Tapos itinuro ko ng tour guide na una ako. Let's do this. Be good, okay? Timor, be good. Babaeng camel to, kaya all good. Ay. Okay.
Pero kapag naka-anchor ay,
Alright, gonna bite me, right?
who's gonna lick you? Who's gonna lick you?
Mahal ko.
קדימה, למעלה.
Here's my camel. Over there. And the rest.
לה קוראים שירה. איווה.
And the rest of the troops are
Riding on
there.
a camel.
So this is how it feels.
Okay, the last guy wants to get off.
So here's my wife, guys. Here's my camel, so behave right now. And the other one, smelling the other ass. Look at that.
Where you keep moving?
Where are you going? Where the hell are you going?
Do you want like general numbers about camels or what do you like to hear?
Naka-break yung camel, guys.
Break yung camel. So, we can take a photo.
Kahit mainit, sulit. Diba? Kahit mainit. Pag nauhaw ka ngayon, paano ko iabot sa'yo yan? Kaya si Jingjing guys, nagtanggal ng tsinelas.
Yeah, that's up. Yes, nicely done.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Ay! Ay, natapos na kami guys. Mga 1 oras din ang pagsakay namin ng Camellios. Nangatal ka ba? Hindi naman. So, pabalik na kami sa reception. Papahinga ng very very light. Ang init eh. Nakaka-drain ng energy.
Pero yung asawa ko may minimithi pa. Gusto mag-RTV. Oh my God. Apakamahal. So, ayun nga guys, napakasarap na experience. Hindi mababayaran ang pagod. Grabe. Yung pagmimeship namin, worth it. Kaya kayo mga nagtatrabaho, enjoy nyo, hindi puro trabaho. Oo, gagastos. Siyempre, parte yun ang pagpapakasaya nyo. We only live once.
Try it. You
Yes.
must try it. I swear. You'll never forget and you'll never regret the experience. Guys, pagkatapos namin sumakay ng camel, may tinatawag silang hospitality. May ginagawa yung tour guide namin na hindi ko alam at saka may patsaa daw sila. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na guys, may patsaa na. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Madaming, may bermuda sa loob. Kumain ng malamig, iinom ng mainit. Kaya naman ang sira ang ngipin.
אתה מכין יפה, מה?
לאן אני עולה איתה? איתה לרייזל? אפשר לעלות לרייזל?
Ano kayo?
גשם. ננסה עד פה בערים.
איזה שטח?
Galing nila mahal no, ganyan. Pwede pala tayong gumawa na nakataob lang. Pero ang mangingitim dun sa ilalim na no. Pang ano na talaga to. Ito na talagang lutuan nila.
sour cheese?
May laman na sour cheese.
אתה מגיע?
Okay guys. Tapos na kaming mag camelback riding. Ngayon naisipan namin ni Jingjing na sumakay ng parang RTV, ATV ganun. Ito yun oh. Yan. This will be our last activity of the day bago kami bumalik sa Arad. Kasi bukas kailangan na naming magtrabaho ulit. So, excited si Jingjing kasi dalawa lang kami sa sasakyan. Ooh, yes! Ako ang magdadrive, siya ang videographer natin for today's vlog. Ready ka na? Ready ka na ba? Let's go.
So we're going now at RTV. My husband is well prepared. Guro yun guys, hindi ka makakapag-RTV kung wala kang dalang driver's license. Oh, ano? Ano na to? So yan guys, mag-RTV kami. We're going on the desert. My husband is like kind of excited.
This way?
Thank you.
That's it. Get to the brakes and
Oh, ha? Hal, okay ka lang?
Oh.